Welcome back to Amazing Food MN, where cooking becomes super easy. Today, I'm sharing mind-blowing kitchen hacks that every beginner should know. From saving time to making your food taste better, these tips will upgrade your kitchen game instantly. So get ready, because these simple tricks will make you feel like a pro chef in minutes. Let's jump right in. Cooking sparkles. 1. Keep your kitchen organized. Your kitchen becomes easier to use when things are in the right place. Keep all your spices in one cabinet and your cooking tools in a drawer. If everything has a home, you don't waste time searching. Use small boxes or baskets to separate items. For example, keep all baking tools together and all frying tools together. This simple organization helps you cook faster and keeps the kitchen clean. 2. Always read the recipe first. Before you start cooking, spend 1 minute reading the whole recipe. Many beginners make mistakes because they skip this step. When you read the recipe first, you understand the steps, the timing, and the ingredients you need. This helps you prepare everything ahead of time. You will cook with confidence and reduce stress. 3. Use a garbage bowl. When chopping vegetables, place a small bowl next to your cutting board. Use it to collect peels, seeds, and waste. This keeps your counter clean and makes cleanup faster. Many professional chefs use this trick every day because it saves a lot of time. 4. Keep a sharp knife. A sharp knife is safer than a dull knife. Beginners often think dull knives are safe, but they actually slip more easily. Sharpen your knife every week or use a sharpening tool. A sharp knife helps you cut smoothly and quickly. It also makes cooking feel easy. 5. Freeze herbs in olive oil. Fresh herbs spoil fast. To make them last longer, chop herbs like basil, cilantro, or parsley and put them in an ice tray. Add olive oil and freeze it. When you need herbs, just pop out a cube and add it to your dish. This makes your food more flavorful with zero effort. 6. Use a spoon to peel ginger. Many people struggle peeling ginger with a knife. Use a spoon instead. The spoon scrapes off only the thin skin and keeps the ginger fresh. This trick is simple and safe, especially for beginners. 7. Prevent tears while cutting onions. Cutting onions can make your eyes water. To stop this, put the onion in the fridge for 15 minutes before cutting. Cold onions release fewer chemicals, so no more tears. Another hack is to cut the onion near running water. These tricks will save your eyes. 8. Boil water faster. If you want water to boil quickly, cover the pot with a lid. The heat stays inside and boils water faster. This hack saves time when cooking pasta, rice, or vegetables. It's small but very helpful. 9. Use ice water for perfect boiled eggs. To make boiled eggs easier to peel, put them in ice-cold water right after boiling. The shells come off smoothly. This trick works every time and saves you from broken eggs. 10. Clean your microwave with steam. If your microwave is dirty, steam can clean it easily. Fill a bowl with water and a little lemon juice. Heat it for 3 minutes. The steam softens the dirt, and you can wipe it away with a cloth. Your microwave becomes clean and fresh without scrubbing. 11. Use baking soda to remove smells. If your fridge smells bad, place a bowl of baking soda inside. It absorbs odors and keeps your fridge fresh. This is a very simple and cheap hack that works great for beginners. 12. Keep bananas fresh for longer. Bananas turn brown fast. To slow this process, wrap the stem with plastic wrap. This reduces air exposure and keeps bananas fresh for several days. It's a simple trick but very effective. 13. Make pancake batter without mess. Use an empty ketchup or sauce bottle to store pancake batter. Squeeze it directly into the pan. This keeps your counter clean and gives you perfect pancake shapes. 14. Don't overcrowd the pan. When cooking, avoid putting too many items in the pan at once. If the pan is crowded, food doesn't cook properly. Leave some space between items. This makes your food crispier and tastier. 15. Taste as you cook. Beginners often cook without tasting, and the final dish becomes too salty or bland. Taste your food at every step. Add seasoning slowly. This helps you understand flavors better and improve your cooking skills. 16. Keep salt nearby. Keep a small bowl of salt near your stove instead of a salt shaker. Pinching salt with your fingers gives you better control than pouring from a shaker. Chefs use this method because it makes seasoning easier and more precise. 17. Add oil after the pan heats up. Always heat your pan first, then add oil. When the pan is hot, food cooks better and sticks less. This hack keeps your food crispy and prevents burning. 18. Use lemon to clean cutting boards. Rub half a lemon on your cutting board to clean it naturally. The lemon removes stains and kills bacteria. Rinse after scrubbing. Your board will smell fresh and look clean. 19. Store leftovers properly. Use clear containers for leftovers. When you can see the food, you remember to eat it. Label containers with the date to avoid spoilage. This helps reduce food waste and saves money. 20. Keep a small notebook for kitchen notes. Write down things you learn, like how long rice takes to cook or what spices you enjoy. This notebook becomes your personal cooking guide. Over time, you will become more confident and creative in the kitchen. Thanks for watching Amazing Food MN. I hope these simple kitchen hacks help you cook smarter and enjoy your time in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next amazing food video. Fork and knife with plate fire.